Hi there, students. A nom de plume. A nom de plume. This is a pen name. This is where a writer uses an alternative name instead of their real name. Yeah, a pen name. This is something that it has been used very, very often and throughout history. Yeah, it's a pseudonym. So a pen name, an alias, a pseudonym. Yeah, you could have a stage name. So a pen name is a writer who is using a different name. A stage name is an actor who is using a different name. Yeah? And pen names, there are been lots of pen names over history. I don't know, for example, J.K. Rowling, the person who wrote Harry Potter, she used to call herself Robert Galbraith. Okay, so Robert Galbraith is one of J.K. Rowling's pen names. Or Anne Rice, Interview with the Vampire. Yeah, her real name is Alan Francis O'Brien, but Anne Rice is her pen name, her nom de plume. Yeah, or Stan Lee, the guy that wrote Spider-Man comics. Stan Lee is actually his nom de plume. His real name is Stanley Martin Leiber. Yeah, or Stephen King. Yeah, Stephen King is a nom de plume for Richard Bachman. Okay, so a nom de plume, these are it's very common that this happens. Anthony Afterwit, yeah, is the pen name for Benjamin Franklin, for example. Anthony North, this was a pen name for Dean Koontz. So pen names are something that have been around for years. Okay, so a pen name, a nom de plume, a pseudonym, yeah, a sobriquet, yeah. It's just to hide either to hide your identity or to find a name that sounds better than your real name. I think actors do this very often with stage names to make them sound more interesting. Yeah, because, well, maybe we're always a little bit paranoid about our names. They don't sound as impressive as we think they really should. Okay, so they really should sound. So a pen name, nom de plume, nom de plume, nom, name, de, of, plume, pen. So a pen name. This is pure French. It comes from the idea of nom de guerre, war name. Yeah, these are pseudonyms of people used during a war. Yeah, during wars, and they had different people would have different names. I don't know. Genghis Khan. I'm certain this is a nom de guerre. Yeah, I think his name was Temujin or something like that. Okay, so yeah, nom de guerre, nom de plume, stage name, a name or a pseudonym that you use so that so that you sound good, or you're not known by your real name. So formality, nom de plume, pen name, nom de plume. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5, a 6 in formality. I think I would probably say pen name informally. 6.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing, yeah? And, well, I guess nom de plume. I Swear English is is it my stage name, my teach name? I don't know, something like that, though. It's a bit like a nom de plume. Yeah, but you can call me Alex if you want, which is my real name. Okay, so a nom de plume, a pseudonym, a writer's pen name. Yeah, an assumed name, an alias. Yeah, Charles Dodgson wrote under the nom de plume of Lewis Carroll. Yeah, so yeah, his real name was Charles Dodgson, but his nom de plume, his literary name, Charles Dodgson. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Nom de Plume.